Today we are going to discuss about oscillator circuit, how we can simulate oscillator circuit by using multisim simulator. We know that oscillator is a circuit which convert DC signal into AC. The alternative signal may be sinusoidal or non-sinusoidal nature. This alternative signal, it is an undamped signal. It can be used in the function generator for testing the circuit. It can be used as a clock signal in microprocessor, microcontroller, and some digital circuit. It used as a carrier signal in mobile and radio communication. So oscillator circuit can produce the oscillating signal. The range from few hertz to gigahertz range. So what is exactly oscillator? Oscillator is a combination of amplifier and feedback circuit. So what is feedback? The sample of the output is fed back to the input. That is called as feedback. There are two types of feedback. One is positive feedback, another one is negative feedback. In the amplifier circuit, we go with the positive feedback. That means the sample of the output is added with the input signal. Okay. So the condition must be satisfied this combination of the network. That condition is called as Farquharson criteria condition to satisfy to get the undamped oscillating signal. So the first condition is the closed loop gain of the circuit must be 1. That means closed loop gain, A beta gain must be 1. The second condition is the total angle of closed loop circuit is A beta must be 0 degree or 360 degree. These are the two conditions must be satisfied by the circuit, then only it can produce undamped oscillating signal. Okay, so in detail we see about the circuit. First we'll see about the RC phase shift oscillator circuit. So why we are naming it as RC phase shift oscillator? Because the feedback network is based on RC combination. Okay, the feedback network is responsible for the frequency. What frequency has to be produced by the circuit, that has to be decided by the RNC combination. That's why it is mainly we are naming based on the feedback circuit. So feedback circuit is based on RNC combination. So we are saying it is a RC network. So it can produce the undamped oscillating signal. So we can say it is a RC phase shift oscillator. Okay. So main circuit in the oscillator is amplifier. Here you can see the amplifier circuit. This is the amplifier circuit. Here the major device in the amplifier circuit is BJT, bipolar junction transistor. So here the configuration used in the amplifier circuit is common emitter configuration, because emitter is common between collector and base. Okay. Here the biasing technique is followed is voltage divider biasing technique. Voltage divider bias they were following to maintain the stability. Okay. So remaining all we were discussed in detail in the theory part. Okay. Now the first condition to produce the oscillating signal is what? It should the gain, the closed loop gain must be 1. So the feedback network, here we have the amplifier network, next feedback network. So the feedback network, that means RNC combination, it consists of 3 stage: capacitor, resistor 1 stage, another stage, and the third stage. This 3 stage network to produce the gain factor, that is beta, is 1 by 29. Okay, so output divided by input, if you find it with help of nodal analysis or loop analysis method, we can able to find the V0 by Vi, that should be 1 by 29. So this is the gain factor of feedback network. Then what must be the gain factor of voltage divider bias network? The A must be 29. Then only A beta, we will get 1 by 29 into 1 by 29, we will get gain factor must be 1. So first condition must be satisfied, then only you can get the undamped oscillating signal. This is the one condition. One more condition is what? The total phase angle. That means A beta must be 0 degree or 360 degree. Okay. So here it is an inverting amplifier. So the inverting amplifier can produce the phase angle A. That means amplifier phase angle is 180 degree. So your feedback network also producing 180 degree. So your feedback network must produce 180 degree because you are using inverting amplifier. So that's why we are using 3 stage of RNC network. This each stage maximum can produce 90 degree, but we are designing such a way that it can produce only 60 degree. The value of this capacitor and resistor value, it can produce only 60 degree. So this stage, second stage can produce 60 degree. This stage can produce 60 degree. Totally, this feedback network can produce 180 degree. So total phase angle is 180 degree plus 180 degree. It can produce totally 360 degree. Okay. This two condition, when it is satisfied by this circuit, then it can produce undamped oscillating signal. Here RC phase shift oscillator can produce sinusoidal signal. The frequency of the sinusoidal signal is based on the feedback network. So what is the value you are used in the feedback elements? The based on that value, we can decide what is the frequency of that oscillating signal. So the formula for this RC phase shift oscillator already we have discussed. We derived this. So F naught equal to 1 by 2 pi RC into root 6. Okay. This feedback network R and C is a major role for the set the frequency. So according to this circuit, 1 by 2 pi R value is 2.2 K and capacitor value is 0.01 microfarad. Okay, into root 6. This around we are going to get 2.95 kilohertz. So approximately equal to 3 kilohertz. So we are designed the circuit to generate the frequency of 3 kilohertz. Now we are going to run the circuit. We are already familiar with that, how to rig up the circuit by using drag and drop method. Okay. So we will use the place there which component we need. We will select the component and we will place according to the circuit. And finally, all the circuits are interconnected properly. Then we will go for run the circuit. Okay. So we will run the circuit. So if I feel everything is properly is connected, and we can run the circuit and we can test the circuit. Okay. Here potentiometer is connected between the feedback path to the amplifier. So here we know that two capacitors, coupling capacitor C4 and here also coupling capacitor is connected because it is block the DC signal, it allow only AC signal to the amplifier. Getting my point? Potentiometer to adjust, potentiometer used to get the smooth wave in the output. So now we will run the circuit. So go to run and click here. So we are getting the output waveform. Now I need to calculate what is the frequency of the wave. Okay, it is an oscillating signal. It is an undamped oscillating signal. So I want to know the frequency of that. So I have to stop the signal. So make a right click on that. So I will get the waveform like that. Now I have to take one period of that. So I want to know the full cycle from this. So here if you start the wave from this point, okay, start from the wave. Okay, 1 minute. One cycle here are approximately, if you calculate, one wave starter, one complete cycle, and almost 1 point. Here one complete cycle we have 1 point, almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1.6 we are getting at time period. Full scale we are getting as 1.6. So if you stop the wave and if you see one time period, we are getting as 1.6. So what is the scale, time period scale? It is 200. So 1.6 into 200 micro, 10 to the power of 6. So time period we are having is 1.6 into 200. So frequency, if we say 1 divided by 1.6 into 200 microsecond 10 to the power of minus 6, we are getting almost 3 kilohertz range. So practically we are how to get 2.9. So theoretically we are getting 2.9, practically we are getting around 3. Okay, and this is the way we have to simulate the RC phase shift oscillator. Now we are going to discuss next oscillator circuit, that is Hartley oscillator. So we know that the oscillator circuit is the combination of amplifier circuit and feedback network circuit. Here, previous network is based on R and C combination. Now this network is based on based on tank circuit. This tank circuit is based on inductor and capacitor. Here, two inductor, one capacitor in this arrangement. Two inductors are in series. The center point is connected to the ground and parallel with the capacitor. So when two inductor, one capacitor, then this type of tank circuit arrangement will give the Hartley oscillator. Okay, when two capacitor, one inductor parallel, if we go, that is Colpitts oscillator. Okay, that and all we were already discussed. Now this circuit has to produce 180-degree phase shift. Already inverting circuit, amplifier circuit producing 180-degree phase shift. Totally it has to produce 360-degree. This and combination of this network has to produce total gain must be A beta must be 1. Then only it can produce undamped oscillating signal. So already we were discussed about how the tank circuit is functioning based on the charging and discharging of inductor and capacitor. It will produce the it will produce the oscillating signal. That oscillating signal is keeps on passing on to the amplifier circuit. When it satisfies the Parkinson criteria condition, at that time we are going to get the undamped oscillating signal. Understand? So because the inductor and capacitors are energy storage element, so based on the charging and discharging of the inductor and capacitor, it can produce the oscillating signal. That oscillating signal is finally produced by the circuit in undamped nature. Okay, so how can we calculate the frequency of the circuit? So frequency of the circuit f naught equal to 1 by 2 by root of, here two inductors are there, L equivalent into C. So what is the L equivalent? Here inductor L equivalent we will calculate based on L1 plus L2. So when you are adding these two, we are going to get 1.1 millihenry. What about the capacitor? 1 microfarad, right? So substitute that into the equation. F naught equal to 1 by 2 pi root of 1.1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 1 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So we are getting around 47 kilohertz. So this is the frequency capable to produce by this oscillator circuit. Okay, now we'll run the circuit. So we have to check the circuit whether all the components are connected properly or not. Now we are going to run it. So already previous one in the run state. We stop it and we'll run the circuit. As soon as you run it, we are getting the oscillating signal. Same way, we need to calculate what is the frequency for this oscillating signal. So same way, make a right click and stop the waveform, and we are going to see how many square box it is covering. Okay. If you say almost, if you say, if you start from here to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 square box here. From that, if you say 3 point behind from the 1 square box, so here it is covering 1 square box completely. If you say here, so 1 point is left from 1 square box. So if you say that 1 complete square box is covered, 1, if you say 2, if you consider that is in the first square box, then you can say it is almost 2.2. Okay, na? Almost 2.2, 2 square box completely covering, then 2 point from the third square box, 1 point from the third square box. So 2.2 total x-axis value is 2.2 into what is the scale? 100 microsecond. 100 microsecond we are getting. This is the time period. So we are getting t equal to, sorry, f equal to 1 by 2.2 into 100 into 10 to the power of minus 6. We are getting around 45.5 or 45.6 or 7 kilohertz we are getting. So it is theoretically we have to get 47k. Exactly, if you calculate, we will get around that range frequency. Okay, this is a way we need to simulate the oscillator circuit. So we have to stop the wave, and we should find the wave, how many width is covering from the x-axis. That width has to be multiplied with the time scale. That will give the time period. The time period into time period 1 divided by the time period will give the frequency of the particular circuit. So even the same way, you can calculate what is the amplitude that circuit is producing. Here if you see 1 completely, 2, then if you see here and see here completely, we can say 3. The y-axis, it's covering 3 square box. So 3 into 5, 15 volt. It is producing the voltage as what? Peak to peak value is 15 volt it is producing. Circuit producing 15 volt, and the oscillating frequency is what? 47 kilohertz. Okay, thank you.